Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to disable order notifications on Target account. So first we're going to go to the Target app. As I told you, guys can find this app in the App Store or Play Store. Then once you guys are here, you're going to click on My Target, found at the lower right corner. Then we're going to click on Settings, found at the top right corner of the app. Then here, you're going to scroll downwards until you find the notifications section. Then you're going to click on it. As you can see, orders is turned on, so you're going to turn it off. So from now on, pickup, drive up, and delivery status will be notified to your account. We also have a video on how to turn it on, so you guys can check it out as well. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlist, make sure to check them out. I hope you guys liked this video, subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.